Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my latest videos notification. Today I'm going to do a product review video on Colorbar nail paint, and I have purchased this product from a mall. There is a showroom store of Colorbar. From there I have purchased it. Its packaging is really nice. They have given me this bag with the ribbon opener and I really liked it about it. This video is not at all sponsored. I have purchased this product with rupees 200 with my own money. It's for rupees 200 only. Its packaging is really strong and I liked it, and its price is 200 rupees, and for that you are getting this bottle. And the brush is really nice. The holder part is really nice. It's not too big or too thin or thick, anything like that. It's really nice and I like it because you can easily apply the nail paint in your hands, and its quantity is also really nice. It has keratin and almond oil in it. Its color is I think mix like a red color, not exactly a red color, but kind of slightly pinkish color. I hope you can understand. You can see on screen its color is like this only. I'm just putting one coat of nail paint on my hands. You can see here with just one dip of the color, you can see I can cover my both the hands easily, and so you can understand like how long it will go. And you have to just close it tightly, and then this nail paint will go for I think 2 to 3 years with you. You will not be able to finish it. It's now I have applied it and I will just put it like this only. I had done this voiceover after I think 10 days, and still the nail paint is on my hands. Only 2 fingers are getting थोड़ा सा वहाँ से हट रहा है nail paint. Otherwise 2 हफ्ते तक ये nail paint 1 कोट का रहेगा आपके पास. You can say I think 1 हफ्ता तो रह ही जाएगा. बीच में अगर आप चाहें तो सेकंड कोट कर सकते हो. और इसको मैं मार्क्स दूंगी. I'll give this product 8 marks out of 10. The reason its price is 200 rupees, which is little bit costly, but its packaging is really nice and its color is really nice, and with one coat only you are getting this much. This is also really nice, and its smell is also not very bad. Its smell is really nice. So I hope you have liked this video. It does give smell like a nail paint, like a ordinary nail paint smell. Its smell is like that. I have already videos on my channel. You can see on the screen these are already videos on my channel, so do watch these videos and follow me on Instagram at Heartfulness_OM. I have called right now because the season is changing. I don't know why. And yes, I will catch you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care and bye bye.